Well, hello, my name is Louie, and today I've got...
Damon with Premier RV.
We got another classic example of why buy new, huh?
We do, yeah. Beautiful coach. Tiffin today.
Yeah, 2023.
37 BH Phaeton.
Phaeton.
Or is it Phaeton?
Well, depends on where you're from, I think.
I hear both.
Yeah, super nice, clean coach, like brand new, smells great inside.
7,176 miles.
Jeez. Yeah, again, why buy new when you could buy something that someone's already done their shakedown cruise on it and all that good stuff, so.
And one of your most loyal customers.
Yeah, no, we've...
Wild Bill.
Wild Bill buys one every year, it seems like, and trades it in, so.
Yeah,
God bless him, God bless him. Thanks, Bill, appreciate it. We're in our indoor showroom though, right, Damon?
We are, and it's pretty nice in here today.
Yeah, that's why people ask us to sell a lot of the coaches. That's why Bill always brings them here. He buys from somewhere else and then brings it here because he knows his asset's going to be inside, plugged in, and be taken care of. So
yeah, it's going to stay nice and clean. No joy rides and no dead batteries.
Yeah. So we'll pull this one forward so we can see the colors and start doing the exterior of the coach.
Sounds good.
All right, thanks.
Thanks.
What do you think?
Pretty clean coach, as it should be.
Yeah, 37-footer, so. You know, it's also kind of unique is it has 3 roof airs, Damon.
And a 10K gen, Lou.
That's unheard of.
It is. They're all 15,000 BTU roof airs, so yeah.
Great coach for the desert areas,
37 foot with 3 roof airs, you can hang beef. I mean, that's going to be cold.
Yeah, yeah. All right, where do you want to start there?
Well, we'll start at the entry door with the pet window because we got a Tiffin.
Yeah, no, I kind of like that now.
50th anniversary Tiffin.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, you got a little keypad out here. Swipe to unlock. Oh, we can give it a little harder swipe. There you go.
So you just put in your numbers and boom, right?
Yep.
All right. We got a bunch of awnings. We'll bring the awnings out here in a little bit.
Yeah, 2 up on the roof, which was an expensive option.
Yeah, with lights. So fuel tank is what?
100 gallons.
Dual fill.
Yeah, we got a Freightliner chassis. It's got disc brakes in the front, drum in the back.
Michelin.
Yeah, Michelin's, and the coach is a 23, so you're presumably good till about 30 on tires.
Yeah, Bill was saying this coach drives great. So.
Yeah, he said he pulled his Jeep down to Palm Springs and back, got 8.5 miles per gallon.
Yeah.
I really liked the way it drove.
And he's driven, I mean, every year it's something different. So, I mean, from country
variety
coaches
of
to
motorhomes.
Tiffins
Yeah.
to Newmars. So, he's the expert of all experts.
He is.
I thought you were the expert.
No, Bill is the expert. He's the man.
All right, so bay door number 1, we're gonna have some hydraulic slides, it looks like.
Yeah, that's a hydraulic pump for the slide rooms in this motorhome, and then a narrow pass-through storage bay with power and 12 volt back there, and looks like some awning controls. And then we have a telescoping ladder on a dual directional slide tray.
Yeah, I kind of like that versus the ladder on the back.
I do too. They're so compact and lightweight aluminum. Some extra tile for the floor.
And a pull-down awning rod there for the window awnings.
Yep.
We got an outside TV here. Got to have that. The sound bar.
How do you liking the paint job on this, Louie?
I do. I like it a lot.
Ocean Mist.
Ocean Mist.
Yeah.
You wanted me to ask you what it was, didn't you?
No. We got extra folding chairs that have probably never been used, and the central vacuum attachments in that bay. These side hinge doors are nice, huh?
Access to the refrigerator?
Yeah, yeah. You had to get to the water valve for the ice maker, and it looks like it's a residential fridge. This is an all-electric coach.
Yep. All right.
Gravity fill for the freshwater tank would be right here.
I've never seen on this side of the coach.
That's pretty rare.
Yeah. Fresh water's probably what? 100?
90 gallons.
90?
Mm-hmm.
black and gray are,
66 and 50.
that's not bad.
All right, we got a manual Girard window awning. I don't think I've ever seen a manual Girard window awning.
Well, you've seen it now.
Yeah.
I didn't know they did it, but yeah, it looks nice.
And
Matches all the other awnings.
They painted the window frames when they painted the motorhome.
Yeah, just like that entry, remember that?
That's what I was thinking of.
All right, we got some cranking batteries here.
Yeah, those are the chassis starting batteries. Nice chrome logo here, Phaeton. And then a little storage back here, some chassis modules. This is a plug for an engine block heater, and there's an outlet right up here for it. What do you think's behind door number 3? Huh.
Got a rear bathroom, right?
Yeah, this is probably a valve for the washer dryer, maybe to reach in and turn off the hot and cold.
Yeah.
We can get that opened up and see what it is. That's a little unique. Well,
Yeah.
there's the dryer vent right around the corner, so that's probably what it is.
Yep. That makes sense. All right, you said it's a 380 Cummins?
This is an L9 380 Cummins with 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, 10,000 pound hitch, rear radiator.
Yeah.
Nice looking back cap though, the graphics and the body style looks really good.
So the L9, it's kind of like the 8.9 400 or 450 ISL.
Yep.
So yeah, that'll get up the hill.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And you got good mileage too.
Yep.
So a little bit of storage right back here.
Paint is in excellent condition. Obviously, it's a pretty new coach.
It is. We got another door on this side. No, I got it. We're gonna have to get.
We're
the
going to
key.
have to investigate.
Yeah, this is new.
All right. It's always good to carry a little def, but it's empty.
Oh, that's nice that Bill left the box for us. So
Come on, Bill.
We know what brand of DEF fluid he used, or I'm sorry, D fluid.
A little fluid would be good.
We got a 13-gallon D fluid tank, 50 amp power cord reel on the right, and a automatic transfer switch with a built-in surge guard.
Yeah. All right, this is where it all happens right here.
Got your power water hose reel there, and Rhino sewer hose, your favorite.
Sea level tanks there.
Yep, monitor panel, some Purell. Looks like it's almost full. Whole house water filter, thermostat for the plumbing bay. Water pumps right down there, black and gray, 66 and 50.
What kind of heating system we got here?
Looks good. I know it has the Truma water heat.
Must have Oasis, huh?
And I bet it has a hydro hot.
Oh, I mean Hydro Hot.
Yeah.
I was
one of the
thinking
two.
Newmar for a second.
There it is.
There it is.
Mystery
Oh.
solved. Aqua
There.
Hot. So no Truma. That was an option also, but they did the Aqua Hot 450, so that's your zoned furnace, electric or diesel, and unlimited hot water.
Nice.
The opposite side of that pass-through storage bay with the dual directional tray and extra tile. And then you've got all the house batteries here. They're on a slide tray. There's 6 of them. And this coach has 6 solar panels as well, 200 watts each, so 1,200 watts of solar up on the roof.
From the factory?
From the factory, on the window sticker.
Nice.
You'll have 2 fuel fills for that 100-gallon tank. Then the front run bay, and there's a gin release up here. I'll pull.
And I think you said, what, 100 hours on the gin?
106. Yeah, and a 10K.
Yeah. So that's a little quieter than the 8K, which is nice.
Mm-hmm. It pulls out pretty easy for
It looks brand new.
a 10K.
Yeah, super clean. Windshield's in great condition.
It is. Good looking front cap and headlights. We'll have to.
There must be some collision avoidance sensor right here, huh?
Looks like it, yeah, and the mobileye.
And the mobileye for the cruise.
Boy, those wipers are heavy duty, those arms.
Yeah. Super nice looking coach. Let's go inside.
So let's do it.
All right. All right, Damon, we've got some serious awning action here.
Yeah, dual roof mounted Girard awnings with lights. 37-foot motorhome. I bet there's 30 feet of awning.
Yeah, at least.
A lot of awning. They come out 10 feet. They got the tilt for blocking the sun.
Nice lighting. Yeah, you could bring one out or both out. So,
Yep.
super nice. All right, let's go inside.
Okay.
Made it inside. What do you think?
Pretty clean and very bright. I like the colors.
Yeah, like the cabinet colors, very light and bright.
Yeah.
Like the flooring, very neutral.
Heated tile.
Oh, is it heated?
It is.
Nice.
Yeah.
In the Phaeton. Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, this thing's got every bell and whistle on it. All electric, like you mentioned earlier, with the residential refrigerator, the true induction cooktop.
Yep.
3 roof airs.
Yeah, nice ceiling treatment around those air conditioners.
Yeah, and you were mentioning earlier, how much is it? Was it brand new?
$496,000.
Wow.
Why buy new?
Yeah, that's a classic example. No bad smells, very clean.
Very clean.
Actually, you could smell the leathers and stuff from the factory. So.
Still has the new smell.
All right, I like the theater seating. It seems like every coach has that with the TV lift.
Yeah, look at that TV.
And
that's
that's
beautiful.
a jackknife sofa here, but nice fabric. It's got like a little texture to it, huh? So, feels good. The dash is really cool.
Yeah,
with
take
the
a look at
digital
this,
dash.
Jack. So we got it all lit up. You got all your cameras on the right, stereo in the middle, gauges on the left, 7,176 miles.
I wonder if the sensor was for the lane changer, huh? Would that be it, maybe?
Could be. Yeah, that's got that departure, lane departure on the left.
I noticed on the mirrors, like on the new cars, it tells you if something's in your obstruction there with the yellow light, which is cool. Amber light or... but yeah, really clean dash. It's got the mobileye cruise control too.
MCD shades up here.
Yeah. And these both swivel around and footrest on both.
Footrest on both, yeah.
So that creates a lot more seating.
Yep.
But yeah, even the ceiling treatment's really well done.
Yeah, I like it. Let's check this galley out. It looks like we got a pull-out counter. Oh, the whole thing comes out. That's good.
Yeah, looks like we got a dishwasher here, huh?
I like the hardware they used on these. They're just they're effortless and then self-closing.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is.
Good storage. We got a convection microwave.
Another rollout up here. And then a outlet and USB port that will tuck away in the kitchen here.
Nice double sink here. Little trash can area. Residential refrigerator. With the freezer down below here. What do we got in here, Damon?
We got the half bath. This is a 37-foot with a bath and a half.
Yeah. We didn't talk about the dinette, but it looks like an extra large table, so you have like a little workstation.
Yeah.
Looks like a little pull down, or no, it's going to be just storage here. So.
Yep, this one's all storage. They got USBs and then a light touchpad right there. Another outlet USB flip up. So,
yeah, really good lighting though in this coach.
Yeah, that soffit lighting is pretty cool.
Yeah. Got central vac also here. Got a king size bed, which is nice.
Look at this. They still got the plastic, the protective shield. So this is command central. Tells you about your solar, battery voltage, tanks. You can do lights, electric, generator, cooling and heating. So you just push buttons. You want to run it on diesel, the Hydro Hot, slide rooms. So you can do a lot right here off of this main panel. And then yeah, king bed, Lou. I mean,
it's nice though on here you're showing is it gives you the heat, what it is in each area.
Yeah, it gives you the actual temperature and then what you've got it set for.
Yeah.
So if you just want to cool it off a couple degrees, you know where the baseline is, what it's thinking.
Yeah, yeah, king size bed. Storage above.
Each side has a window, outlets, and then a touchpad for the lights.
Storage underneath the bed. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got storage above, huh?
Yeah, storage above, USB ports on each nightstand.
Outlets in the back here too. That's kind of unique, huh?
Ready for the sleep apnea machine.
Yeah.
Good place to put it. We
Yeah.
just put a little port, run your hose down.
Storage here. A little safe for
Yeah.
hanging.
Shirt closet, huh?
Yep.
Hers and hers.
Yeah. Looks like a little hamper area.
Yeah. Yeah, all the drawers have nice guides on them. They fit really well.
Back here, we're in the bathroom. We're gonna have a stacked washer dryer. Pretty good sized shower here too.
It is. I like all the tags are still hanging up like it's a new coach.
It's like hardly used.
Mm-hmm. You got some
But
nice
good
artwork
storage
in the
here.
bedroom.
Yep. It doesn't get cleaner than this, does it?
No, this is how you buy them. After someone buys them new, takes the depreciation hit, debugs them. They all have bugs when they're new.
Yeah.
Takes a year or so to get them debugged. So once they get that done and they're depreciated, that's when you want them and you want to start using them. So
Yeah, give us a call if you're interested in a nice pre-owned coach that's been well taken care of.
$284,999.
$284,999.
And
Hit the subscribe button.
it's free.
Thanks
Thank you.
for watching. Bye.